Hi children. Yes, in the last class, the giraffe has gathered all the cops in one place, and now Ralph had worked up a huge appetite by now. Now, the Ralph is very hungry, had worked overtime, and he told Giraffe, "Tomorrow we will have feast. Feast means the festival of food festival, but I am afraid the elephant might try to steal our corn." The Ralph is saying that the elephant is very big animal, so might be he come to steal the corn. So be careful about elephant. He will regret it if he even tries to come near the field. Saying this, Giraffe went away, agreeing to meet Ralph the next morning for the feast. So Ralph went, and the giraffe keeping the cops here. Then Ralph called the elephant and said, "I have gathered all the cops and we will have feast tomorrow." The same sentence is saying the Ralph to the elephant, "Have feast tomorrow." I just hope Giraffe does not come around stealing our corn. So, again, the same sentence saying to the elephant, "The giraffe does not come around stealing our corn." Saying to the elephant, "We have worked so hard for it." So, we worked so hard. So, giraffe might be come to steal our corn. Be careful about giraffe, he told to the elephant. So she will regret it if she even tries to come near the field, said elephant, swinging his trunk. So both went off from the place that cops, and Ralph had decided that he would get up early morning and helps himself to as much as corn possible. Yes, he decided that we will get up early morning and eat as much as possible. The elephant and the giraffe would just blame each other for the theft. So both are elephant and giraffe, they are blaming each other because they theft. But Ralph overslept. Okay, in the night, overtime he sleep, and he could not woke up morning. He had become to so tired going to and from elephant to giraffe and from giraffe to elephant that just could not wake up on time. So morning he could not wake up on time because he is going from elephant to giraffe and giraffe to elephant. He just tired. When he reached the field, Giraffe was already there. When he reached morning that time, he field, Giraffe was already there in the field. Ralph had to quickly think of another plan. Again, Ralph is decided to make one more plan too. Giraffe was already there because that he want to make another plan to send the giraffe from that place. "Oh my god, look, the elephant is coming." The Ralph is saying to the giraffe, "Oh my god, look, the elephant's coming." Where, where? Giraffe looked in the direction Ralph was pointing. So, Ralph pointing to the mountain. So, Giraffe looked at that. "Where's the elephant?" asking Giraffe. There, said Ralph, pointing to the mountain. Mountain he was pointing, and the giraffe looking at the mountain. "Over the mountain?" "Over the mountain," he asking. "Mountain? What a mountain?" "That is elephant." "Mountain? That is not a mountain, that is elephant." "Oh my god, we cannot fight a mountain like that." So giraffe getting fear about that elephant. There is no elephant because that is a mountain. He is thinking that mountain is only elephant. So giraffe panicked. Panic means fear, and before she could flee in the opposite direction, she fainted. Fainted means that place we have to go quickly. We have to go from that place. So giraffe went that place, getting fear from elephant. So children, in the next class we will continue this meaning of the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.